Hey everyone, this is Chris with the Dlivrd tech team, and today we're looking at using the driver portal from within the Dlivrd driver app. In the upper left corner of the app, there are 3 lines that open up the side panel. From here, you can choose Driver Portal. The driver portal is awesome. There are a ton of features in it, all meant to help you perfect your Dlivrd profile and maximize your earning potential. Options such as resource videos or FAQs can be a great way to quickly get questions answered. Within personal information, you have the ability to update your market. One of the most important ones is delivery location. Here, you can draw a map of where you want to receive orders. Doing this allows you to be eligible for orders in that area, even if you live outside of it. Preferred availability is awesome too. Here you can mark days and times you want order offers. If you aren't available on certain days of the week or times, we don't want to waste your time offering you orders. You also can go to Vehicle and Bags to update your vehicle or to upload pictures of bags or other delivery equipment. Remember, the bigger your vehicle and the more equipment you have, the larger the orders that you are eligible for. Well, that's it, everybody. Be sure to check out the driver portal soon, and thanks for using the Dlivrd driver app.
Earning Partner Education Series.